Hi!
Hi, good morning! It's a beautiful day here in Bhutan, particularly in Punakam. So, ano ba ang Punaka, Jane?
May masabi ka na.
Para siyang countryside dito sa may
pero probinsya siya. So, we're staying in Lobesa Hotel.
Yeah, so yung Lubesa Hotel, very countryside hotel siya. Makikita mo talaga yung field. So, papakita ni Jane sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng view namin.
Nice.
Pak! Pan! Yan.
Bagalan mo naman.
Asan tayo ngayon?
We're here in
Lawa
Pass.
Lawa something pass. Lawa Lacho. Jean! O, ayan. Ano ba yan? Mga stupa yan, di ba?
Yeah, stupa.
What is a stupa, Jane?
Hindi ko alam po yan.
I think stupa is something. Yan, oh, Jean. This is the view. That's the Himalayas. Himalayas? Pag Pilipino ka, Himalayas. Nice.
We're going to take a picture here.
Yeah. Nice. Let's take a picture. Back. Ganda. Ay, sorry. Naka-record. Hi!
So here you have a large built group. You find a house group.
Also, these are bigger.
Yes. So the crews are all same, but you know these are like bigger in size, and then big, like large. Yeah. This temple was actually also like we have a region. We will come in a different way in order to subdue the one who actually destroys the flourishing this Dharma. So then, which means like after the death of Buddha, so Guru Padma Sabha was actually born in India, like between India and Pakistan currently. So from the lotus. So that's why like Guru Padma Sabha is considered as the second Buddha.
Gautama Buddha, will he reincarnate?
Yeah, we believe that. Yeah.
But he has not had any previous reincarnations.
What's that?
He has not had any previous reincarnations.
No. But it is said that prophecy there will be like
So he will reincarnate in the future.
yeah, no.
Unlike Guru
Padma Sabha.
who has already reincarnated.
Yes.
Ikot na. What can you say? What have you learned about the tiles?
It's just so cold. I'll build my house with tiles.
With the house?
With the tiles?
Okay, yeah. But so it will be cold.
Bisita ka na lang.
Wow. Together with my jowa.
Picture and then let's go for hiking.
Okay.
Are you guys ready for hiking?
Sure. Hi, we're here at the monastery. We are 3,400 meters above sea level or something like that. Ano ba sabi natin? 3,600. Wow!
Ito yung para, ano lang. Wala.
Gangtay!
Naka-aircon sa bar. Hindi.
Oh, Jane, what are we gonna expect in this forest?
The crane.
The what type of crane?
Black neck.
The black-neck crane.
You're not listening.
Neck. Naked. Do you know how it? Okay. So many animals here.
And then
What?
Daphne.
Daphne flower.
Oh,
What's this?
Daphne.
Daphne.
Wait. What's this? What's this?
Daphne flower.
You tell us if we need to hurry for our itinerary.
Yeah. Are we on time? So far?
Yes, we are.
Really?
Really?
Be honest.
Be honest.
Yes, we are on time.
Okay, very good.
And we this is American bison.
Really, ah?
This is Angus, right?
Will it attack us? Will it? Ah! Shit, baka sipain ako!
Ayun, kaka-discharge ko lang ng pasyente ko, nasundo ng dalawang cow, tapos
Pipigilan niya? Ba't mo
Yes.
pipigilan? Hindi ka naman wild ano.
Kala niya kaya niyang ipacify yung cow.
Naku, mukhang yung
Wala, nandun na. Basag yung face.
Angus.
Sorry ko.
Hi!
What can you say? What have you learned? Ay, baka malaglag ako. Ayoko na pala. Bye! Ito na lang.
Wala tayong ortho dito. Tandaan mo.
Oh,
Medical
yan.
lang tayo lahat.
I've learned that
What? How did the crow die?
it's still a mystery.
This is the American bison. Totoo kaya yun? Hindi na ako naniniwala.
Parang hindi, kasi iba naman yung ulo niya.
Ay.
Oh, look at this cow!
Oo
so
nga, ang laki ng mata niya.
Ay, wow! Para tayong ignorante
Ay, gabi pala nila.
Ay!
Cute ng color.
Ano yan? Great day.
Up close and personal to the animals.
Wow! Discovery Channel.
Oo.
That's 100 meters, right? We have 4 kilometers more.
Yeah.
Hindi ka kahit in this room.
Hi to please. Oh, video.
Yeah.
Stick is not that stable.
It keep on.
You should buy in China, not in India. Do you still have like imports from China? Do you get?
No, we get Chinese stuff from such country.
Oh, not directly from China. Why?
They don't like China.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
Panaka is the ancient
Yes. Chapter.
where's the like the Kuya, hi to ano?
No, there only one capital in the country.
Hi, flying toes. Like where the head
Video
of the
yan, no?
state.
Oo.
The video? That's in Dong.
Lecture. Parang nandun si ano.
Parang yung pinanood natin yung
Brokeback Mountain.
Bagay.
Bagay sa inyo.
Brokeback Mountain.
Sabi kasi na parang yung pinanood natin.
Yung kapatid niya. Kapatid niya nun.
What's that okay? Sledding.
Skiing.
Yes. So in this area, does it snow? Even now?
Global warming.
But yeah, especially this place, they receive more.
That's because I can imagine during Swiss Alps.
Mini Switzerland. It is also considered mini Switzerland. In summer, it looks like
This one. Yeah, actually, it looks like. Putang ina. Ha? Madadapa ako.
Kuya, may mga namamatay talaga sa magpa-vlog.
Gago. May nalaglag, di ba, dun sa, sa train station?
Swatch ko siya doon.
Oo.
Filipino yun?
Hindi, parang foreigner.
Filipino!
Filipino ba yun? Hindi.
Filipino pero nasa ibang bansa.
Gaga foreigner yun, yung nalaglag sa train
Filipino nasa
station.
ibang bansa. Namatay ba siya?
Fracture lang, ganun.
Sige, tatlong lang. That's awarding
The whole vloggers.
so the farmers here, they are getting ready to plant.
Oh my God, we're in the farmland.
Oh, di ba, people, you want to try?
Yes,
Try what?
Planting.
Ha? Uy, di mahulog ka dyan.
Yeah,
Urong ka.
ito na.
One is to 3 lang, di ba, Eddie?
1 is to 3.
1 is to 3.
Oo, ang eye ratio.
Ganun daw. Bukas. Ay, sa Turkey.
Okay.
Our duck ring.
Gago. Nakinarinig tuloy dun sa video. These are the cranes.
Hindi niya pinatawad eh.
Kung ano man tawag dito.
Chuchain, bucha.
Ang tataas ng puno. Ganda, shit. Yeah.
So these are dried ferns.
Okay, what happened here?
It's winter time. So
Okay.
during spring they come alive.
Okay, very good.
Get like a true
Tour guide.
geographic.
Yeah.
Wow!
Wow.
Mines View
Ang
Park!
sarap mag- Hi! Hi!